We live in an age where self-indulgence and instant gratification reign supreme. Yet true respect isn't earned through superficial achievements or fleeting pleasures. It's forged in the fires of self-discipline and unwavering character. To command respect, we must eliminate certain habits that erode our dignity and undermine our authority. These habits, often subtle yet insidious, can silently steal our potential and sabotage our relationships. Habit 1. The tyranny of excuses. The first step towards self-respect is to take responsibility for our actions. Excuses are the refuge of the weak-willed, the cloak of the incompetent. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." When we make excuses, we abdicate our power to external circumstances. We surrender our ability to influence our own destiny. Habit 2. The procrastination pandemic. Procrastination is a thief of time, a destroyer of dreams. It's the insidious habit of postponing important tasks, often due to fear or laziness. As Seneca, another great Stoic philosopher, warned, "As long as you live, keep learning how to live." Procrastination is the antithesis of learning and growth. It's a self-imposed prison that limits our potential. Habit 3. The craving for external validation. Seeking validation from others is a sign of inner insecurity. True strength comes from within, not from the approval of others. As the Stoics taught, we should strive for inner peace and self-sufficiency. By relying on external validation, we become vulnerable to the whims of others and lose control of our own happiness. Habit 4. Neglecting self-improvement. A life without growth is a life wasted. To command respect, we must constantly strive to improve ourselves. This means challenging our limits, seeking knowledge, and practicing self-discipline. As Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic emperor, reminded us, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Habit 5. The temptation of dishonesty. Honesty is the foundation of trust and respect. When we lie, even in small ways, we erode our credibility and damage our relationships. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus cautioned, "If you wish to be a person of integrity, then let your actions be consistent with your words." Habit 6. Ignoring boundaries. Respecting the boundaries of others is essential for harmonious relationships. By ignoring these boundaries, we demonstrate a lack of empathy and consideration. As the Stoics taught, we must live in harmony with others, respecting their rights and their dignity. By eliminating these 6 habits, we can embark on a journey of self-transformation and personal growth. The path may be challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. Remember, true respect is not something that is given, it is something that is earned.